It's actually translate in Cantonese is little sister, like the little one. Yeah, because in the past, when I first played football, I joined the football team with my sisters, two elder sisters. So I'm the little one. So the coach just decided to call me that. In Scotland, they just call me Toni.
Ga Toni Ho wang tung dunan son bhí cluich ball-coise a hall hadis, agus thuaidí an corm sin a dhéanú nó de glúisi a ALBA I ddas an daver.
In Scotland, the most interesting thing is that the people here is so welcoming. So it doesn't put me in a situation that I feel like the outsider. So besides, I can really learn a lot from football.
Bei Toni an tréisibtí a Hong Kong a haid cluich gan san SWPL. Le sean chluichadar in Clevarnic Vicky Chung agus Chung Cheng Hang is cluich gan roia.
I actually came to visit them last year in March. So originally I'm planning to play in their team for a few training, but then the lockdown came in, so I didn't really have a chance to do so. But they always told me that the league here is so competitive and the people here are nice and stuff like that make me to decided to come here.
Gaf Toni smach gyda namasaich gehéin gus cluich gan an ALBA, agus ha yn dochus gyda the hewlus taich do gynna fy game ball-coise yn ban an the Hong Kong.
So basically I just send some emails to a lot of clubs, and Queen's Park is one of the clubs that responds to me. And Mark is the coach Mark, he is very good, and he offered me the opportunity to come over and join the team, so I just take the chance. I'm really proud that I can be one of the Hong Kong players here. So actually I had to take this opportunity to show the youngest player in Hong Kong that we can always achieve what we wanted if we just give some confidence to ourselves and just go ahead. And I think the thing that I wanted to do is maybe make a push, let more people in Hong Kong to know that there is women soccer in Hong Kong, so more coverage and stuff, then maybe help the growth in Hong Kong women's football.
Ha a jawn chluichad o gian to chitchi ys mynd I gyfil yn idde sio an ALBA na sarcha na veiche I ddas eich dachi.
It's less physical in Hong Kong, when you compare to the people the players here, when I want to get the ball, I need to be really strong, need to fight 100% to get the ball. But in Hong Kong, maybe the dynamic is more not so emphasized on the physicality. The league here, all the teams are really on the same page. You never know which team is gonna win until you play it. But in Hong Kong, I think this few years is better, but before the difference between the teams is really high. One team can beat another team maybe 10-0. I think this is not a really good competitiveness in a league. So in here, we need to have more, we need to work hard, even in training, because all the players in in the team is really competitive, so you need to fight for to get to the starters, and that's the biggest difference.
As we hiad game maich gyda na spiders am sy'n dafing. Noch Toni gyda ceir twrsan nhw ddech y glasach stat idd yn teisan. Han cluich yr eita nasion da a Hong Kong a fiach end in na buon ac yn lorach fo a ham cluiche. Y ganyan yn tyich y gyddif.
I think it's quite difficult because I don't really get family or like friends here because originally my friend that used to play for Camelot, they planned to came back on January, but because of the lockdown, they decided not to come over. So I'm just here all by myself. Which is a difficult thing, but I think I really learned a lot from this experience, like how to be more independent and stuff like that. I think it's a really good experience. Before I came over, I used to work as a graphic designer or something like that in a sport company. So the boss is nice enough to let me to work as remotely. So most of the time I just work, and other time I just, because I love drawing and illustrating, so I just take some time, which is my hobby. I like to do some like cartoon side illustration and more colorful. Sometimes I help to do some poster or some web or online social media illustration, etc.
Han che ha ceas bonificet cwtioch iddi fi a cwmal ffyd, a chai gyn o ffiwr iddi fi a ffain idda sydd y ffarge, agos y cluich ball-coise y ddiysg.
Our fitness coach spot in Queen's Park that we got a strength and conditioner coach. So Michael, he just constantly helped me to set up some program weekly. So I just stuck with that, and it just kept me busy and trying my best to keep my fitness. I don't really get to experience as much as I can the past few months, so it will be really exciting to get back to the field.